Welcome to Digilx YouTube channel. Today we are going to see what are the best gold investment schemes in India. Investment schemes in India. So I will go through each by each. So first one is sovereign gold bonds, which provides an 2.75% interest annually with tax-free capital gains. And then second one is gold ETF due to its liquidity. And third one is physical golds as coins or bars. And then these are the investment avenues available for gold in India. And people can ask me why I didn't include the gold jewelry as investment, because gold as a jewelry will eat up your investments up to 20% in the making charges and as well as wastage. So it's not an best option for an investment for jewelry. It's only considered as an expense for like another item like clothes, shoes, like that. That is the only thing. And then SGB means it's in sovereign gold bonds backed by issued by the government of India as an alternate investment option to buy the gold in electronic mode. And second one is gold ETF. This is an gold mutual fund. Gold ETF and gold funds are the mutual fund types of investments. And then physical gold is such as coins or bars available in the normal market. Okay, then what makes SGBS best is these bonds can be traded in the secondary market, and you can able to buy these bonds with 10 percentage discount in the secondary market. It will hit your it will hit your demat account within T plus 2 days. So it's also you will get an interest with less than 2.7%, which better liquidity actually. So because it's getting traded in the secondary market, which provides a good liquidity, and then go with less expense ratio in comparison to the gold mutual fund or gold ETF. So gold ETF is issued by the mutual fund companies, and by backing the gold, and they will charge an expense ratio which will eat up your gains up to 2%. And then physical gold as coins or bars will have an charges plus GST levied by the charges levied by the jeweler and GST levied by the government of India. Okay, and then why SGB is good? SGB and gold mutual fund, which is tradable in the electronic format, is good because in the coronavirus pandemic situation, the government issued an order to close all the commercial establishments, even except essential goods. So even if you have a gold, as even the gold price is getting increased, if you're going, but you can't sell your gold or put your gold in the as an lien in the bank to get money in the situation. But SGB and gold ETF which can be traded in the electronic format in this exchange, can be sold instantly, and you can able to encash the money, which will hit your bank account in T plus 2 days. Seriously, these two, I mean SGB and gold mutual funds, are very awesome products in India. It can be considered for accumulating gold for the children for their marriage. Even I will suggest SGB because the interest components they gave 2.7, but it's an best actually. People who have put their gold investment of around 10 lakhs in the SGB, they will get around 25,000 approximately, which will almost given off 4 to 5 grams of the gold, which can be again reinvested, which will grow your investments in the compounded manner. So ideally I will suggest to use an opportunity by instead of investing in the money, investing in gold such as gold ETF and the physical gold, because gold ETF will eat up your expense due to their expense issue, and the physical gold will due to theft and the tax components. So you will not get maximum return from these two items. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to.